Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel TNB Academy. In today's video, we are diving into an extremely important topic, creating an Information Security Management System or ISMS, specifically for the healthcare sector. If you are in a healthcare, IT, compliance or risk management, this video is for you. Let's get started. What is an ISMS? So firstly, what exactly is an ISMS? An Information Security Management System is a structured framework of policies, procedures, and controls to protect sensitive information, especially from threats like data breaches, cyber attacks, and unauthorized access. In healthcare, this becomes even more critical because we are dealing with protected health information, PHI, patient records, diagnostic data, billing information, and more. Implementing an ISMS helps healthcare organizations meet legal, regulatory, and ethical obligations, and most importantly, protect patients' trust. Why ISMS is critical for healthcare? Healthcare is one of the most targeted industries by cyber criminals. Why? Because patient data is highly valuable on the black market. A robust ISMS helps prevent data breaches, ensure compliance with the standards like HIPAA, ISO 27799 or GDPR. Protect both digital and physical records. Build resilience against ransomware, phishing, and insider threats. If you are in healthcare, ISMS is not optional anymore. It is a necessity. Key steps to create an ISMS. Now let's walk through the step-by-step process to create an ISMS for a healthcare organization. Step 1. Define the scope. Decide what parts of your organization the ISMS will cover. Hospitals, clinics, labs, IT systems, patient records, etc. Step 2. Conduct a risk assessment. Identify all the information assets and analyze the risk related to each. Ask what are the threats, what are the vulnerabilities, what would be the impact. Step 3. Establish policies and controls. Develop clear information security policies, access controls, incident response plans, and data handling procedures. Make sure everything is documented. Step 4. Assign roles and responsibilities. Appoint an information security officer or team. Train your staff because human error is one of the top causes of security breaches. Step 5. Implement technical and physical controls. This includes encryption, firewalls, antivirus, backups, and also physical access controls like locked cabinets or biometric access. Step 6. Monitor, audit, and improve. Regularly monitor systems, conduct audits, and improve your ISMS based on findings. Remember, security is not a one-time setup, it is a continuous process. Aligning with ISO 27001 and ISO 27799. To make your ISMS truly effective, align it with international standards like ISO 27001, the global standard for ISMS, ISO 27799, which provides a specific guidance for information security in healthcare. These standards help structure your ISMS professionally and increase trust with regulators and patients. So to wrap up, building an ISMS in healthcare is all about understanding your risk, putting strong policies and controls in place, training your people, and continuously monitoring and improving your system. If done right, it not only protects sensitive data, it saves lives, money, and reputation. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more content on healthcare compliance, information security, and ISO standards. Thanks for watching and stay safe. See you in the next video.